Goodbye, Genoa. I dab, but my hands are full. Back at the train station again, heading to Venice this time.
Train 11.
We out here waiting for our train. It is a balmy. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on this with this high-tech power zoom lens. Probably not. That tower over there says it's 34 degrees. So that's crisp.
It's not even showing.
Oh well, that's okay.
It was a second
It
ago.
was.
Oh, okay.
So luckily we're in the shade. You can see the shade line here, and then that's the hotness out there. So we still have another. Wow, 26 minutes. We were early.
We were early.
Till our train. Then we're off to Milan Central. We're gonna get lost in the station, then take a later train to Venice.
Yay.
What was the reason? Slow passenger proceedings?
Yeah, quick update. Train's now 10 minutes late. And we have a 20-minute connection in Milan, so that is being reduced to 10 minutes. And we're thinking Milan's gonna be a big station. Yeah?
Oh yeah, Milan Central, not a small city by any means.
Yeah, we'll see. See what happens.
Il treno regionale veloce 2020 di Trenitalia nelle ore 14:18.
We made it.
So just finishing the last part of our last train voyage. Have around 15 minutes till we pull into the Venice station. Then we gotta find a bus. We'll find our Airbnb. It's very hot in here. Some people are sleepy, aren't they?
Made it to Venice. We're now waiting for a bus. We just missed it, but we'll get the next one. Airbnb's up next.
I quit.
Okay, are you, this is
Yeah, hey.
Airbnb.
Yeah, we're at the Airbnb.
Look right through.
We are on our way to supper. Ash is leading us to not seafood tonight. Oh, nice. Click clack. Smells like plants. It does smell nice here, hey? Yeah. It's a nice smell. Smell is 10 out of 10 right now. 10 shot out of 10 shot. She's looking a little stormy out there. Hopefully the rain holds off until we get to the restaurant. Then pours when we are in the restaurant, and then when we go to walk home it stops. And then pours again when we get home. That'd be ideal, I think.
Sure.
Yeah. There's a little bit of thunder and lightning.
In the rain for a little bit at least.
Yeah, you're sweating. I'm surprised you haven't suffered heat stroke yet.
It'll soothe my sunburn.
Ah, yes. That's a good sign.
Hopefully you're fine.
Oh, you're not gonna hand me mine.
You're right there.
Oh, mon dieu.
I don't understand.
I think it'd be on the.
Maybe I'll just get that Albert. It's got walnuts on it, but
That's awesome.
Ew.
So where are you guys from?
Canada.
I feel like you probably didn't.
I don't think we started then either. Pizza, ganache,
Gnocchi.
pizza, ganache.
Yeah, one of them's clearly better.
Someone's really mad at me because I didn't get that. I got that, but that's too bad. Oh, you're supposed to choose to go in restaurants. Not what I did last night. Okay. Alright. Meal's done. We're gonna walk back to our amazing Airbnb. The girls are gonna think about their pasta for tomorrow.
Oh.
And I'm gonna upload a few videos for the viewers at home. See if we have any comments on the video. Oh no, I still didn't post that yet. Oops.
The one where we
Asked for comments. Yeah, I just edited that. You'll see that soon though. Yeah, so we're on our way back. Still looks kind of dark outside.
Whenever they see
But
this,
yeah, whenever you see this, it'll all be up. It'll make sense. You'll see. You'll see. She made it look so easy.
It's a really weird lock.
All European locks are weird.
But like the key doesn't fit in it.
So back after supper, just trying to figure out the scale. We're trying to buy a check bag for Croatia since they'll ding us 60 euros if we're over, and I'm definitely going to be over with that behemoth down there. So after a nice full supper, we're just relaxing, enjoying our free internet after we didn't have any last night. That's probably just going to be it. We're just going to relax for the rest of the night. The girls have to think about their pasta reviews for tomorrow. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty chill night, and that's all we're going to do.
Yeah. Thanks for watching today. Nate, you want to say anything?
Hey, tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you there.
Bye-bye.